What's up? Happy New Year's. I'm about to go skating. It's actually a nice warm 50 something degrees outside, so in the wintertime in Georgia you gotta take your chances. I'm about to go skating, so we're gonna make a to-go version of a white mocha. So I just got a new cup too. I used to have a white one, but I left that at the skate park and I never found it again. So now we got a black one. Let's see. Of course, I'm gonna start just setting everything up. It's gonna be a double shot, so I'm gonna measure out 18 grams. No, not 18, 17 grams. All right, we're at 14, 15, 16, 17, perfect. And I'm also gonna go a bit finer on the grind. I'm gonna go to like 9. I feel like I've been pulling really fast lately, so I'm gonna fine up the grind a bit, but I'm not gonna adjust my tamping pressure at all. Can I pour it in this cup? Alright, that did not. Adjust that. Okay, gonna pour in this small frothing pitcher, and then I'll just like pour it into this cup because you can't fit this under the spout right there. Go ahead and tamp down and everything. Alright, that should be good right there. Well, that's a church. I'm gonna get the milk. Use the big picture for this. Looks really good, actually. It's a high pressure, but it's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm gonna fill the milk up right up to the spout in this big pitcher. It'll be perfect amount for this. I think that was a pretty damn perfect shot. Yeah, it looks really good. And then while we're at it, I'm gonna add the white mocha to it right now. I'm gonna do like 2 full pumps. Then swirl around a bit to mix it up. Go ahead and get the steam on started. Then just dump it in here. All right, any day now. That sounds good. Gonna warm up a bit more. Just gonna froth it like any other latte, nothing special here. Although I've been having a bad habit of adding too much air. So I'm gonna stick to like the 30-second range. We'll just wait until it gets warm, really. That's what you should do. But it's a lot of milk, and it's not the most powerful steam on, so I feel like I have to add, a bit more air than you would on like literally any other steam on. All right. Hopefully that's a good amount. Whoa. I was like, what's happening? And I was pulling up on the one. Anyway. Just gonna let it swirl around. Yeah, I was worried for a second that the steam one was like getting weaker. I don't think it is. I think it's just time for a cleaning cycle. The clean me button isn't on yet, but every like month or so, I just do a cleaning cycle anyway. And ever since I moved, I haven't done a cleaning cycle really, so it's probably about that time. All right, that's good. Clean the steam on off. I'm gonna try something a little bit different for latte art stuff. Just basically try to rehearse all the good habits for latte art, and so hopefully not too bad. Bit weird angle I'm holding it at, but it's a tall cup. Nice, nice, not too bad, not too bad. Clean off the side a bit. All right, let me do a close-up for y'all. There we go, focusing. Not too bad. All right, well, there's your white mocha. Hope you all have a good New Year's, and yeah, as always, thanks for watching.